Hello and welcome to Zero to Million. Today we are going to dive into the best side hustle for 2023. I know, it's all over YouTube already. It's a social media manager, but it's not as easy as it sounds. First, there is no sense trying to be a SMM unless you already have the skills and knowledge. You should have a solid understanding of social media platforms, content creation, and marketing strategies. Which platforms are your strengths? Which ones could you learn more about? Next, you need to build your portfolio. Create a portfolio showcasing your work and skills. Offer free or low-cost services to friends, family, or small businesses to build up your portfolio. Who are you identifying as your target audience? Determine which businesses or individuals would benefit from your services and target them specifically. Set your prices. Determine your pricing based on the market rate, competition, and your own experience and skills. If you are an unknown as a social media manager to your target client, then you might want to shave 20% off the price. By discounting your prices, hopefully it'll be easier and faster to get clients and establish yourself in your market. Then you can raise your prices, maybe even to a premium to the market. Network and market yourself. Reach out to potential clients, participate in networking events, and promote your services through social media and other channels. Keep track of the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. You will need to adjust them as different channels work better than others. Create a contract and processes. Establish clear terms and processes for clients, including payment terms, timelines, and deliverables. Deliver high-quality work. Meet or exceed your clients' expectations and continually evaluate and improve your services. Starting a side hustle can be challenging, but with dedication and hard work, social media management can be a lucrative and rewarding opportunity.